Alright friends, inside this video topic, again we'll discuss a very amazing concept of React, and that is how to use the concept of Bootstrap to create amazing layouts inside React application. Let's go back to editor. So first thing first, what is Bootstrap? So Bootstrap is a CSS library. By the help of CSS classes of Bootstrap and using HTML, we can create amazing layouts in a very simplest way. So let me tell you that if we want to use the concept of Bootstrap and its CSS classes to create amazing layouts, first thing first, we have to install an npm package into this React project. So the package will be called Bootstrap. So by using npm, first we have to install, and once it will be installed, by using its classes over HTML, we can use the concept of Bootstrap into this application. So how to start? Let's go back to browser. And here, simply I will type call Bootstrap with React. So here we can see here we have the first link as react-bootstrap.netlify.app. Simply let's click on this link, and here click on this get started. So we can see that here we have the npm package called npm install react-bootstrap and bootstrap. So what I will do, I'll use only this bootstrap package, something called npm install and bootstrap. So let's copy this complete command. Go back to editor, open a new tab. So the command will be called npm install and only bootstrap. Now let's copy, go into project terminal. I will stop this development server. So npm install bootstrap. And successfully, the package installation now completed. It has added two packages into our setup. Let's go back to editor, open up package.json, and now we can see that inside this dependencies object, here we have the bootstrap. So, okay, package is available, but the question is how to use Bootstrap classes over HTML into this project. Let's go back to documentation. Scroll down means installation completed. Scroll down. So here we have the line of code that is called import bootstrap.main.css from this path. So what I will do, simply I will copy this line of code. Let's go back to editor, open up app.jsx, it means app component, and here at the top of this file, let's add here. So simply as we can see that this bootstrap.main.css is coming from this path, and this path is exist inside node modules, because as we know that we have installed our bootstrap package. So all the packages while installation it goes inside node modules. So if I go inside node modules, scroll down, search for bootstrap. Here we have the bootstrap into dist folder, into next here we have css folder, and now we can see that inside the css folder we'll have the file called bootstrap.main.css. So successfully installation completed, import completed. Now what next? Now, next after this, to use the concept of Bootstrap and the Bootstrap classes, we want some HTML. But before that, before using of Bootstrap classes, also we have to verify that what version of Bootstrap right now we are using inside this application. So it's very simple. If I go and open package.json, and now we can see that after installation we got Bootstrap of 5th version. It means that what the CSS classes we use inside HTML, they are of Bootstrap 5th version. Let's go back to browser. I'll then type Bootstrap 5. Let's open this first link, that is the official website of Bootstrap called getbootstrap.com. And here it's really very simple. Let's open components. Then I will go into this card. So here we have the layout. This is our HTML. So I will copy this complete HTML. Let's go back to our app component. Then I will remove this product component and just paste here. And one more thing, as we can see that inside this div element, inside this code structure, here we have the class keyword to pass our classes. But one more thing, inside React application, already I told you that we have two types of component called class-based component and functional-based component. So inside React application, this class is a keyword, so we can't use this class to pass these classes. So instead, what we have class name as a keyword. So let's copy this class name, and we have to replace each class with class name, and class name, and also here class name. And also inside this image tag, we can see here we have some error, and this is the closing tag of this image is missing. So simply let's add forward slash. And for the time being, let's remove this style attribute from here. Save these changes. Now if I go back to browser, and now we can see that successfully, if I go and let's reload one more time. So successfully we can see that here we have the cart layout, and this cart layout is of this HTML, and behind the scene it is using Bootstrap 5th version. To verify, if I go and let's remove this file link from here, save these changes, and now we can see that that design now is now converted into the simplest HTML. So this is the simplest way that how to install Bootstrap package, how to link with this application, and how to use that classes into any of the HTML code. And then now next, let's try some more examples. So simply, let's go back to browser, go inside this getbootstrap.com. So this time, instead of using card, let's use this alert. So here we have some design we can see. So what I will do, if I copy this complete HTML of all types of alert, go here and simply let's remove this HTML and just paste all those code. Now let's do some formatting, and instead of using class we have to replace with this class name keyword. So let's copy Ctrl H, find this class keyword and replace with this class name keyword. Let's replace all. Successfully replaced. Save these changes. If I go, and now we can see that successfully we have implemented one more example that how to use Bootstrap alert inside React application. So this is the way like how to install Bootstrap package, how to link our bootstrap.mean.css with any of the component file, and once all the things will be okay, how to use Bootstrap classes with HTML code inside React based project. So friends, in this video we had discussed the simplest way to use Bootstrap inside any of the React application. So for this amazing course, amazing video, please hit the like button to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Now let's meet to our next amazing video. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.